I wasn't born smart. In school, I was the quiet one, not the fastest, not the brightest, just average. But average didn't sit well with me. I didn't want to be someone who tried hard and still lost. I wanted to be the one who saw what others couldn't, the one who could break down chaos into clarity. So I did what most people never do. I trained my brain like a weapon. Today, I'll show you how to become a genius, even if you don't feel like one, even if you've never been called a smart in your life. Because genius isn't in your genes, it's in your discipline. Part 1. The myth of natural genius. Let's destroy the first lie. You're either born smart or you're not. That's what lazy people say to protect their egos. Yes, some people have faster processors, so what? Raw processing speed is worthless without direction. Geniuses aren't the fastest thinker. They are the most precise thinkers. They are the one who control their attention, not the one who chase every thought. True intelligence is about seeking patterns others ignore, asking better questions, delaying reactions to analyze deeper. None of that is genetic, it's trained. If you don't believe that, this video isn't for you, but if you're still here, let's build your new mind. Number 1. Obsession with understanding. Geniuses don't memorize, they understand deeply. They ask why 5 times more than the average person. They don't accept surface level answer. Next time you learn something, ask, why does this work? What breaks it? What connects it to other ideas? If you do that, you stop being a consumer of facts and become a builder of knowledge. Number 2. Pattern recognition over random input. Smart people read 100 things. Geniuses see the 3 patterns hidden in them. Train this by summarizing every video, book or lesson in 3 insights. Asking what is this really trying to say? Comparing ideas across fields. Biology to business, psychology to marketing. Number 3. Mental simulation. Before making a decision, geniuses simulate outcomes. They play mental chess. They ask, if I do this, what will likely happen next? How would someone smarter than me approach this? This trains future thinking, and future thinkers always lead. Number 4. Emotional stability equals to cognitive clarity. A genius who panics is no genius at all. Emotions blur logic. Calm minds see deeper. Train this by practicing deep breathing when overwhelmed, responding with questions, not reactions, mastering silence in chaos. Part 3. The daily genius thinking routine. You want to become a genius, right? Good. Then your days must not stop looking like everyone else. Here's the routine I followed to rewire my brain. Number 1. Think first, consume second. Before checking your phone, spend 10 minutes writing one idea. Any idea. Business, psychology, philosophy, doesn't matter. This builds mental internal thinking instead of reaction-based thinking. Number 2. Study one level deeper. Pick one topic you're curious about, not 5. Study it daily for 30 minutes, but don't just absorb, question it, challenge it. Geniuses don't accept, they interrogate. I know I'm not kind of pronouncing every word correctly, but I hope you got my point. Number 3. Practice explaining complex things simply. Take something hard and explain it like you're talking to a 5-year-old. If you can do that, you are understood it on a genius level. Number 4. Engage in one deep conversation per week. Not gossip, not surface talk. Find someone smarter or more experienced and ask questions. Let them talk. Learn to listen like a machine collecting data. Number 4. Build a clarity journal. Each night ask, what did I learn today? What confused me? What will I think about tomorrow? This trains your brain to evolve every 24 hours. Number 4. Destroying self-doubt. You don't need to be born with it. Listen to me, genius isn't loud. It doesn't need validation. It just moves differently. You might not be fast. You might forget things. You might feel average. Good, that means you have room to build. I wasn't born smart, but I trained myself to think clearly but not panic. Ask better questions. Cut through noise and get to truth. You can do the same, but it requires discipline, and most people hate that word because it sounds boring. But you know what? What's boring? Regret, mediocrity, always wondering what if you could be done more. Start becoming more now. Genius isn't a gift, it's a decision. A decision to think deeper, to train daily, to question everything, even yourself. You are not dumb, you're just distracted. You have never trained the right way. Start now, comment
you know
below.
what?
I choose to train
What's
my mind.
boring?
And if you
Regret,
want more mindset
mediocrity,
rewiring
always
content,
wondering what if you
subscribe.
could be
This is Anime Mind
done
and
more.
we don't
Start
wait to be
becoming
born
more
gifted. Now we become it. Genius is built, not born.